David, thank you. Food stamps, earned income, and Medicaid are all at the center of President Trump's new budget proposal. The administration calls it an effort to balance the budget over a 10-year period.
The president is proposing to cut Medicaid by $800 billion. James Torres tells us how those cuts could affect families around here. He joins us now. James.
Josh, Latricia, the government says Medicaid provides health coverage for low-income families, the elderly, and people with disabilities. In Tennessee, we call that kind of coverage TennCare. Workers at a Red Bank nursing home say plenty of their patients are on Medicaid, and they could easily see this affecting them and their families. The Life Care Center nursing home in Red Bank serves about 120 patients every day. When Executive Director Sherry Broom heard of President Trump's budget cuts, she immediately sent an email to Senator Bob Corker.
Senator Corker, while we all would love to have a balanced budget, that those cuts might harm the very people who've helped build our communities and our society.
Broom is concerned with these tax cuts, families won't be able to afford to keep their loved ones in nursing homes, since the price tag for a room in this home can cost a family anywhere between $6,000 and $9,000 a month.
It's quite expensive because we have to provide care 24 hours a day. We have to provide expert care, and there are rules and regulations that we must conform to.
Member of the Tennessee Republican Party, Oscar Brock, says the plan is designed to have people return to the workforce and earn health care benefits through their jobs. He says people who have no other option than Medicaid shouldn't worry.
This isn't a draconian plan to take away Medicare for those who are poor. There will always be a social safety net, and this doesn't anticipate that. What it does anticipate is growing the economy in a way that benefits all Americans, not just the rich and not just the poor.
Brock says if the government can spend less on Medicaid, that can help balance the federal budget and lower the federal debt.
If we can lower the debt, if we can lower the amount of interest we pay each year, the government pays, it'll lower all of our taxes in the long run and help the country grow faster.
And Brock says this version of the budget has a long way to go. That's because he expects Congress to make several changes in the next few months. Latricia.
Thank you, James. The budget also proposed a $193 million cut to food stamps and a $40 billion cut to earned income and the child tax credit over the next 10 years.